beautiful short signal showed up today, guys, on this master indicator, allowing us to nail 800 ticks on this plunge. All right, guys, what a day. Let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. All we teach is trend trading and the power behind catching huge trends in the market. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then my goodness, what a day you had. Heck, what a week you've had. Quick time and temperature check. Today is Friday, October 20th. It's coming up on 12:30 p.m. on a lovely Friday afternoon. I just finished my trading and had some really nice brainstorming sessions with my customers and clients, and I had to knock out this video for you guys and gals to prove to you on how incredible, and frankly speaking, in my opinion, how profitable a real volume indicator can be with respect to your trading. All right, this is an indicator that can be deployed on any asset class, whether you trade Forex or futures or stocks and options. Okay, you can pop it onto any of your favorite symbols, and I'm convinced this thing will make an impact for you literally on day one. And for those of you that are still not in the know, then here's a quick and easy breakdown on how this indicator works. All right. First of all, this is a volume-based indicator profile, and this indicator has one job and only one job, and that is to tell you the prevailing trend at any moment in time. And you only have two options, okay? When this indicator is green, it's telling you that the bulls are in control and that there's a better chance that the market goes up. And when the indicator turns red, as it did at this exact moment in time, you guys can quite clearly see this marked off here, right? It shifted from green into red. This tells you that there's a better chance than not that the market's going to sell off. And it's up to you to play it accordingly. Now, the million-dollar question is, how do you play these potential trend changes, right? Because if this is the moment in time that a trend change has been identified, then what do we do next? How do we potentially make money from this new trend change? Well, I'm going to show that to you right now from this live trade from today, Friday, October 20th. This thing showed up at 9 a.m. sharp. It was beautiful, okay? Folks, when the trend changes, especially to the short side, you're looking for a quick print down, right? The market's got to give us a few ticks or a few handles down, proving that the move is real. But what's more important, guys and gals, we need to see the market come back up and retrace above the color band, give us some red reversal bars that match against the red volume indicator. And this location that you see identified on the chart with this yellow box is the only location in the chart to go short this market. That's it, right? Because when we short a trend change, right, we don't want to short the middle of the trend. We definitely don't want to short the end of the trend, right? We got to get in, guys and gals, at the beginning of the trend. And that's why this indicator is so valuable and why it's so powerful and why my customers and clients killed it today for 800 ticks straight down. All right, folks. I mean, it was 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy chicken greasy. We were done with trading by 10:30 a.m. Guys, this was only a 90-minute trade, right? This thing plunged and cratered in just 1.5 hours. That's the beauty about trading the trend. Because boy, when that trend starts, it's like a runaway freight train. All right. So listen, folks, if you've been chomping at the bit to get your hands on a trading system that actually makes sense to you and a trading system that is so simple that you could explain it to a 6-year-old, right? Then boy, do I got something for you. Right? This is what I consider to be life-changing. And as a matter of fact, I got so many screenshots and emails today from my customers and clients who straight up crushed it today. And listen, there's only two types of traders in my opinion. Okay, there's the professional trader who enjoys deploying professional chart strategies and techniques, right? And there's of course the retail amateur goofball trader who is forever going to trade their candlesticks and their Bollinger Bands and whatever nonsense indicator here is on the bottom panel. This is just a complete pile of garbage. Everybody who tried to trade this chart today got their face chopped off, while professional traders and guys who take this seriously straight up crushed it today. I mean, this is real talk. If you're not excited about trading, guys, if you're not passionate about trading, then yeah, you'll forever be stuck in the trash pile and the garbage heap over here, while everybody else, especially those people that are determined to be successful trading the market, deploys these type of professional charts. All right, congrats to all of my customers who were brand new to this trading system. It is an absolute thrill that you guys crushed it today. See you in the next trade. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.